safe out there.
Thank you.
Yo, niggas filming,
Alright.
B.
Alright.
What's
Round
good?
2.
How you feel about that outside? How you feel about the element?
Look, man, I'm a summer baby. This,
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at
It's
this.
cold and it's snow business. Look
Jay.
at this. Look at this right now.
Let me see.
This is right now. This is one time for your face.
Yo, you about to go out in that shit, you heard?
Snowflakes bigger than niggas' noses.
And that shit look mean. Word, that shit look mean. And you know what? I don't go fuck, cause nigga G.
Niggas gotta get back to the crib.
So we gonna have to maneuver that. Go ahead, my nigga.
Strap up, man.
I'm right behind you. Word up. Make sure nigga don't slip. Make sure nigga got full grips. Okay. Alright, so like we was saying earlier, man.
This snow shit is not no joke.
I love this shit though.
You think that New York City is the best city in the world? Yes, it is. As far as the snow shit goes, I ain't with it, baby. And look at this.
Look at the ambulance down there. You know what that mean?
Somebody can bust their ass.
Somebody fuck around, slipped and died in the snow and
Look at
shit.
this one car right here, right now. Look, you see me with this one car doing a cameo right now? This is ridiculous.
Yo, drive me around the corner, my nigga. Heard? I give you $7. Take me around the fucking corner right now, you heard?
Only in New York City would there be a blizzard, and the safest place is walking in the street.
Word. Only smart niggas know that the best place to be is the street. Unless you get hit.
Then you just asked out.
Cause I got hit by a car like 2 days ago, and believe me, that shit wasn't pleasant at all. That shit wasn't jolly or merry at all.
I see my nigga B right after that happened, and he ain't look too happy.
You know what I mean? They don't even build niggas no more like they used to. You know what I mean? I'm glad I was built back in the day when they made niggas Ford tough. Cause that car hit me, my nigga, I barely felt it. But niggas these days, they fuck around, get hit by a car, and niggas disintegrate.
Yeah,
Nigga.
oh my
The niggas break up to pieces.
Nigga birth certificate
Word
disintegrated.
up. Niggas fall to pieces like Humpty Dumpty out this motherfucker these days. So, you know.
Y'all gotta hit the store again, man. I ain't getting nothing to eat.
Alright. Yo, we signing off, man. Word up. Dirty B, my nigga Saddam, Smiles, Shakur, West 104, DPG Douglas Project 1.